Hello guys, welcome to this channel Learn Together. Let's start with the psychology portion. आज हम साइकोलॉजी का पोर्शन डिस्कस करेंगे जो प्रीवियस ईयर एचपी टैट मेडिकल में पूछा गया था. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द एवरेज आईक्यू ऑफ अ पर्सन इज दैट इज 90 to 110. And if I talk about the mental retarded child IQ, then it is below 70. Next is withdrawal into oneself is a developmental disorder which is known as that is autism. When one tries to attribute one's own lapses on somebody else, this process is known as a projection. When one projects on lapses on somebody else, then it is known as the projection. Next is cocaine, nicotine and tobacco are these three are stimulant. Next option is right option number A, that is stimulant. In how many types did Sheldon divide the personality on the basis of body fluid? He divided the personality on the basis of body fluid into three types, that is endomorph, mesomorph and ectomorph. Next is, in which stage of moral development children begin to think that rules are derived from cooperation between people and not coming from the authority, that is autonomous orientation. Next question is seventh. Who said that persons with high IQ were not necessarily creative? Creative ideas could come from persons who didn't have a very high IQ. It was said by option number C, that is टर्मन ने कहा था ये. Who proposed that language development is just like physical maturation. If given adequate care, it just happened to the child. And Chomsky is the right answer. Which parenting style result in impulsiveness, aggressiveness and lack independent ability to take decision responsibility, that is indulgent permissive, in which a child feel like they lack the independent ability, they become aggressive and impulsive. In classical conditioning, food is known as the unconditional stimulus, and this theory was given by Pavlov. एंड इन्होंने डॉग के ऊपर एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था, एंड जो कंडीशनल स्टिमुलस थी वो थी बेल. नेक्स्ट, अ पॉजिटिव रेनफोर्समेंट इज रिवॉर्ड. STM stands for short term memory. Short term memory. STM stands for short term memory. Which is the central concept in Rosser's theory, that is self. Freud constructed a model of personality with three parts, that is id, ego and superego. And Sigmund Freud founded the school of psychoanalysis. He found the school of psychoanalysis. Next is, transfer of training is easier in similar situation. The transfer of learning becomes easier when we transfer our learning in that situation which are similar. Which school of thought in psychology try to identify the basic elements of sensation, images and feeling, that is structuralism. And who is the father of structuralism? That is William Wundt. William Wundt was the father of structuralism. Next, which lobe of brain is involved in planning, decision making and some aspect of language, that is frontal. An overprotected child will tend to display aggressiveness. An overprotected child will tend to display that show the aggressiveness. The oldest method used in the psychology is introspection, and the introspection method was given by William Wundt. Intelligence can be defined as the ability to think abstractly and learn from experience, that is intelligence. During conception period between 2 to 8 weeks is known as embryonic period, that is embryonic period. And there are three stages of prenatal stage 3, that is germinal, embryonic and fetal. Germinal layer is from 0 to 2 week and embryonic from 2 to 8 week या 3 to 8 week, and fetal is from 9 week to birth. There are three stages: prenatal, There are three stages of prenatal, that is germinal, embryonic and fetal. Next है the procedure in which existing schema is changed by adding or inclusion of new information is called assimilation. Which unit is used to measure the hearing capacity? That is decibel. Decibel is used to measure the hearing capacity. Which of these is not projective test of personality measurement? That is 16PF test. Joy, anger and fear and surprise are called, they are emotions. The process in which randomly presented words are recalled in organized category wise manner, that is category clustering. In which stage of Erik Erikson's psychosocial stages of development a person experiences crises and conflicts in intimacy versus isolation, that is early childhood, early adulthood, and Erik Erikson gave the 8 stages of psychosocial theory. Psychology have been considered a science since late 1800. In which classification would a child with intelligence quotient 105 be placed above average intelligence? Insight learning model was presented by Kohler. Thank you guys and do subscribe this channel.